I'm definitely tweeting that Jackson just farted. Alright, cool. The fuck was that sound? Paige, what the hell is that sound? I hate you. Did you fart? Stop. Pretty funny.
Dude, that shit was like, no, let me out. Let me out.
Dude, how did you make it sound like that? That's fucking weird.
You can tell what's going on, but
You're so gross, dude.
I was like about to actually get into some sentimental shit and then you took the shit on my floor. On my floor, dude. Oh my god. No. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit, it punched me right in my face.
Oh my goodness, bro. It smells like earring baggings and rotten cheese.
I'm gone.
I have my hair spiked up and I didn't want my...
You gross. Why? Okay, first off, why does he...
And you farted. That's incredible.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, incredible.
You're actually disgusting.
Boy. Oh my god, Blake.
Noah, what the fuck?
Noah, you're so nasty.
That's a big ass, dude.
I heard it come from there, I just didn't know.
Sharking all the time, dude. Oh.
He literally shit his pants.
Are you about to fart?
Yeah.
Dude, Noah! What the fuck, dude? Ew. Ew.
Why you bent over?
Disgusting.
Do it. That was clown. This is an arm tat. Oh my god, Nessa, you nasty.
Anthony.
Anthony, you're a bitch. Ew, you fuck. You're just sitting in your stinky, disgusting guy. You're just sitting in it. And you're smiling as if it's funny. That's gross. You're sitting in that air. Alright, but since you farted in my face.
Dude.
Frickin'. You nasty bitch.
Oh, they're so cute.
Sure about that?
It's funny because you had a fart in the last one too.
Yeah, I know, right there.
Dude. You need to check your pants.
Yes, I farted. You guys can make jokes out of it.
That smells so good. Should we do this one?
Huh?
Oh my god, you just farted.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you were scooping it.
That's what I think about your video.
Dude, you're a fucking dickhead.
Oh! Listen. I don't know who that is. Michael, I heard you fart from all the way over here. Like sneak off in class? Here's one when you're shitting. Alright, one when you don't give a fuck. One leg one, like where you lift up your leg. No! Like the secret ones in class that you're trying to hide from everybody.
Stop.
Wait, I wanna go to probably the Haunted Mansion, right? Mansion?
Yeah. What was that, Bryce? You pig.
I just pooped my pants. Oh my god, Elle, you are so gross.
He still blames his farts on other people.
Bryce farts like 1,000 times a day. It's disgusting.
I remember. I'm good.
So,
Answers.
Dude, stop trying to blame this on me.
Mike, the couch is shaking.
Dude, you gotta fucking check your pants.
Yeah, dildos.
Bryce, dude.
Ew. Josh. Listen up. Keep taking a shit. I've been holding this in for so long.
Eeny, meeny, miny, no.
Who is it? Who is it?
Oh my god. Oh, that's ass. Wow. Phone number. Fucking relationship, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh, this looks so nice.
And you unplug this?
You have 40 minutes.
Oh.
Big
big chunk is crazy. Exactly, dude.
Bathroom and I was like, nah, I'll just probably keep sleeping through.
Yeah. What was that, Bryce? You pig.
I just pooped my pants. Shit's like whack. Chippy Goat, thanks so much for the Amber Rich.